Welcome. If you want to make sure that everyone can see the posts you're tagged in on your Facebook page, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to adjust your settings on a PC so your tagged posts are visible to everyone. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and head over to facebook.com. Log in if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. Now, from the drop-down, select the page you want to manage. Click on your page's profile photo to enter your page's main dashboard. This is where you control everything about your page. Next, look for the menu on the left or at the top and find the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the sub-menu that appears. Once you're in the Settings section, scroll down or look for the tab called Page and Tagging. This is where all the magic happens for your tagged posts. Inside the Page and Tagging settings, find the option that says, Who can see posts that you're tagged in on your page? Click on this option. You'll see a few choices pop up. To make sure everyone can see your tagged posts, select Everyone. After you've made your selection, don't forget to click Done to save your changes. That's it. Now, whenever someone tags your page in a post, it will be visible to everyone, not just a limited audience. With these quick steps, you've made your page more open and accessible, helping you reach a wider audience and engage more people with your content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.